Under what circumstances can a party unilaterally take back a change to a contract for the sale of goods? The Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court grappled with that issue in Dynamic Machine Works versus Machine and Electrical Consultants. In January of 2003, Dynamic Machine Works agreed to buy a lathe from Machine and Electrical Consultants, or MECI. The parties' contract provided that the lathe would be manufactured in Taiwan and be delivered on May 15th. The SARS epidemic and other circumstances beyond Machine's control delayed the manufacture of the lathe in Taiwan. In letters dated June 26 and July 28, Machine and Dynamic confirmed an oral agreement that extended the delivery deadline to September 19th. The letters further stated that any delay past September 19th would incur a penalty of $500 per day. On October 9th, Machine delivered the lathe to Dynamic. Dynamic tested the lathe throughout the month of November, but remained dissatisfied with its performance. On December 9th, Dynamic's president wrote a letter stating that Dynamic would extend the deadline until December 19th for installation of a fully operational lathe. The next day, Dynamic determined that the lathe wouldn't be able to meet Dynamic's required specifications. Dynamic's lawyer told Machine that Dynamic was revoking its acceptance of the lathe and retracting its extension of the delivery deadline. On December 11th, Dynamic confirmed that it was revoking its acceptance. Dynamic demanded that Machine return its down payment and also pay the penalty fees for late delivery. Dynamic filed an action in Massachusetts Superior Court seeking a declaratory judgment regarding its rights and remedies. Dynamic also alleged breach of warranty, breach of contract, and unfair business practices. Machine removed the action to the United States District Court for the District of Massachusetts. Machine asserted a counterclaim for breach of contract. At issue was whether Dynamic could unilaterally retract the extension of time granted in its December 9th letter. Dynamic argued it could unilaterally retract the extension. Machine argued that the extension was a contract modification that couldn't be unilaterally retracted, and that therefore Machine had until December 19th to perform. Because the case presented a novel issue of Massachusetts law for which no clearly controlling precedents existed, the Federal District Court certified a question to the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court.